This Rolls-Royce looks forgotten, broken, and completely lifeless. But this is not the end of its story.
This is AutoTech Explained.
Restoration always begins with a full inspection.
Every rust spot is carefully identified. Every roughly identified.
Next comes body restoration.
Rust is removed down to bare metal.
The surface is prepared for paint.
Multiple layers create depth and richness.
Primer protects and smooths the body.
Painting a Rolls-Royce is an art.
The engine is removed and rebuilt piece by piece.
Each part is cleaned instead of replaced when possible.
Custom parts are often manufactured by hand. The engine slowly comes back to life. The heart of the car is reinstalled.
And the engine breathes again.
That's why restoring one is even possible.
The engine condition decides the future of the car.
Suspension restores the smooth ride. Perfect alignment ensures smooth driving. Precision is critical in Rolls-Royce engineering.
This moment decides success or failure.
Every detail must feel factory perfect.
Interior damage shows how time has affected the luxury.
Leather is stitched by skilled craftsmen. Interior restoration begins by hand.
Original wood is restored, not replaced.
The cabin returns to royal comfort.
Every part is handmade, designed to last for generations.
Safety systems are carefully tested.
Comfort, silence, and perfection.
Final detailing brings luxury to life. This shine defines Rolls-Royce elegance.
Rolls-Royce cars are built differently from ordinary vehicles.
Because even after decades, a Rolls-Royce can return to life.
We explain engineering behind legends. This car was once scrap. A restored Rolls-Royce never gets old.
If you enjoyed this story,
Follow AutoTech Explained.